Yeah, hi, welcome again. Successfully we have completed while loop. What is array loop, all the basic things. Now is the final step of the basic things. Maybe this is a for loop. We are going to see what for loop, how it is working, all those things. I think we may understand how the while and do while will work. If you have any issues or if you have any doubts, you can contact me anytime, anywhere. I will be responsible. No issues. We'll just start an for loop over here. So the syntax of a for loop is the for loop will use for looping some array or array list or something else. While loop we don't need any array or array list to loop the array. For loop also you don't want need array or array list. You can blindly loop with something else. So the for loop will have three statements. The first one is initialization. It's like int is equal to 0. You have to initialize some integers. Okay, you have to initialize some integers or whatever it is. For mostly 99% it will be integer. You have to use is based on your need. 99% will be integer, so we will go with an integer. Okay, so initialization is the first section. Three sections. Each section is separated by this semicolon. Okay, after semicolon, that is a condition section. Condition means I greater than or I less than equal to 10 or some kind of number. It's like this condition need to be true. Okay, sorry, this condition need to be false. Until this condition true, it will be running. Okay, I greater than or equal to 10. Then next condition is I plus plus increment. Okay, so this is what it will happen. So what we will see is first what we will print something. Okay, this is without an array list. We will see plus with array list. Okay, I am printing the array I over here. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, maybe this one is wrong, I think so. Yeah, see 1 2 0 to 9. So the I is equal to 0. First we are initializing that I is equal to 0. So it is not need to be 0. It is 4 5 whatever the thing is you can give. But mostly we in the iterating order we will give first as 0. Okay, so this is 0. Then it is a condition I less than or equal to 10. I will be so the computer will check I is less than 10 or not. If the I is less than 10 means it will allow inside. The same as while loop. What we check over there, the condition. If it is checking there, if it is less than true means it will allow inside. Okay, so then it is I plus plus because it won't plus plus again. Once the iteration finished, it will increase the I plus plus. Okay, that's what this is without an array. This is a for loop. You guys believe or not, this is for loop. There is nothing big nothing much over here. This is just for loop is completed. The for loop tutorial is this is only 2 minutes of video. For loop is completed. So you guys all know the for loop. The next we will see how to use for loop with array list. Array. Okay, int array we have 1 is equal to we are having 10 9 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, this is an array. So instead of this 10 we are using this array. So we can get the length of array by 1 dot length. Okay, so we will first print this one. I will let you show this one. Length. I'll show the length of an array first of all. So length of an array is 9. Okay, it's a 9. So we are going to use this 1 dot length. Okay, 1 dot length is an array. So now the for loop will before that we use 10. We fixed the number over there. Now it is going to run based on the array list's length. Array's length. Okay, now it is running like 1 to 8 because the total size is 9, right? So the starting is 0 and it's printing like like until here. Okay, so we can do one more thing, like we can print the arrays value. How to print the arrays value? I say in the array, our array explanation videos as it is. So you know that array square bracket, that array's position. So we can, in that video we will give 0 1 default position in the array, but here we are getting the I, right? So we can use this I directly over here. So here the I will act as a array's position. Okay, so this I will 0, so first time it will be 0. The I will act as array's position. Let's run. See, you are quite confused. I will let comment this one and I will show only the arrays. So it will print based on the array's position. What is inside the array, it will based on the array. So see, 10 0 is 10. This is kind of looping by arrays. So you can loop two arrays in here, two arrays. It's like we saw two-dimensional array, right? A two-dimensional array is kind of okay. Okay, so mostly both need to be a same number, same size. Okay, mostly both need to same size. Okay, let's you can do nested for loop inside for loop. That's what nested for loop. So this is one for loop, so we have to two dot length. Okay, 2 dot length. Inside we are going to add one more for loop. Here y is int y is equal to 0, then y less than of 1, not 1, 2 of I. Okay, 2 of I dot length, then y plus plus. So now we are going to print the y. Y means 2 of y. 2 of y. Okay, 2 of two things, sorry, I is y. Okay, 2 of, we are first just understand, I said already how to get a value from two-dimensional array is we have to give the two-dimensional array. First is the column 1, second one is the position of these ones. First one is 0 1. Okay, we have to 0 means this one, y means this one, so I give 1 1. 4 means in this array it's a first position, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so it is by static. Now it is going to print by dynamically. Okay, we will let's see how it is printing by dynamically. Now run. See, it is printed. I think this will confuse you, so let's see right now here. So you have to see 2 3 4 5 until 777. This is the first array list. Second array list is 2 4 4, this one, right? 777. See, this is nested for loop. You are using this for nested for loops. So this is kind of two for loops, and you have another one more thing is for each. For each we don't want to see right up to here, we will see after that. So this is the whole basic things is completed over right now. So after that we will go some interior deep things in the next further videos. Okay, so thank you, and let me know in comment anything you need, or have any doubts or any mistakes I did something. Okay, yeah, fine.